Hi, a good day everyone. Today I'm excited to show you our physics-based mini games that uses air, water and a bit of rice husk to demonstrate key scientific principles in a really fun way. Introducing barrier husk rice. Let's break it down.
So in front of me there will be two containers. One is placed higher than the other one, the second one, and it is connected with the plastic tube. Alright, so the goal of this game will be putting the rice husk from the starting line and then through the maze into the plastic tube and towards the end. So at the end there will be a finishing line which will be covered with a plastic cup. Okay, so in order to proceed with the rice husk to float along the way, we will use the air pump to blow the rice husk from the first container towards the finishing line. Okay, and along the way in this maze there will be a trivia question, and players are required to answer trivia questions in order to proceed into the following maze and towards the end, the finishing line. Okay, thank you.
Okay, now for the fun part, the player will use the air pump to blow the air across the water surface to move the rice husk toward the hose and until the next container. Here's a demo. You put it here, the rice husk, and then we blow it until it goes into the hose. This is where the Bernoulli principle comes in when it creates the lower pressure above them and the higher pressure over the rice husk to get moved to the next container.
So as the husk reach the opening of the tube, they will carry by the pool of water flow and then carry through the tube and reach the second container. And the fun thing is how similar to the leaf gets sucked by the drain storm.
In the final step, player must blow all the husk into the cup inside the lower container. This part challenges players' precision and airflow control. Player must blow all the husk into the cup to win the games. So in this game, we have applied
Bernoulli principle using airflow to move the light object.
Fluid dynamic, understanding how water carry the particles.
And conservation of energy to keep the system flowing.
In these mini games, we've explored the fascinating physics behind Bernoulli's principles and also fluid dynamics in an interactive and engaging way. But beyond the science, this project draws inspirations from the indigenous communities who have long used the natural water flow systems, the bamboo pipes, and the gravity-fed irrigations in their daily lives.
Just like how they harnesses nature with simplicity and purpose, we also combine basic materials and physics to create a fun and meaningful learning experience. In the end, science and tradition go hand in hand, reminding us that innovation often begins with understanding the past.